Hey there, hikers. Welcome back. Embarking on a hiking adventure? Hold on. Before you set off, there are crucial safety tips you must know to avoid turning your outdoor experience into a nightmare. Don't be the hiker who makes a fatal mistake. Be well prepared and informed. Dive in as we reveal the essential safety tips you need to conquer the trails while staying safe. 1. Don't try to hug a bear, even if it looks like it needs a hug. What are some essential safety tips to keep in mind while hiking, you ask? Well, besides the obvious ones like wearing comfortable shoes and bringing plenty of water, here's one that might surprise you. Don't try to hug a bear, even if it looks like it needs a hug. That's right, folks. As adorable as Yogi Bear might be, he's not keen on snuggles with humans. So if you stumble upon a cuddly-looking bear during your hike, resist the urge to embrace it and back away slowly. Trust us, your bear hug dreams will have to wait until you find a teddy bear to cuddle with back at home. 2. Remember to bring a map. Just relying on the sun and stars can lead to ending up in the wrong state. What are some essential safety tips to keep in mind while hiking? Well, for starters, remember to bring a map. Sure, relying on the sun and stars may make you feel like a rugged wilderness explorer. But let's face it, it can also leave you wandering aimlessly and ending up in the wrong state. Trust us, throwing a dart at a map and hoping for the best is not a reliable navigation technique. So don't be stubborn. Grab a map and make sure you know where you're going before you end up on an unexpected adventure. And by unexpected adventure, we mean lost in the woods with no cell reception and running low on granola bars. Bring a map, folks. Your future self will thank you, and your family will worry less about your survival skills. 3. If you hear banjo music and you're not in a deliverance reenactment, it's time to turn around and head back. When it comes to hiking, safety should always be a top priority. Sure, nature is beautiful and all, but nature can also be wild, unpredictable, and downright dangerous if you're not careful. And if you hear banjo music and you're not in a deliverance reenactment, it's time to turn around and head back. I'm serious, folks. Nothing good ever comes from hearing banjo music out in the wilderness. Unless, of course, you're a skilled bluegrass musician, in which case you might be able to join in on the jam session. But for the rest of us non-musicians, let's just stick to enjoying the great outdoors without any dueling banjos or creepy hillbillies lurking nearby. To wrap up, hiking can be a great way to connect with nature, explore new trails, and improve your physical health. However, it's crucial to prioritize safety to ensure that the experience is enjoyable and injury-free. By keeping these essential safety tips in mind, such as informing someone of your hiking plans, packing necessary gear, checking weather forecasts, staying on marked trails, and staying hydrated and nourished, hikers can minimize the risks and dangers associated with hiking. So be prepared, stay vigilant, and always prioritize safety while hitting the trails.